another Scratch tutorial. Today I'm going to create you how to create a Ball Blast game. I'm not exactly sure what to call it because I couldn't think of the name at all. But I decided to call it Ball Blast. So this is one that I just created now. Well, not just now, but this is one that I created. So it can get a bit glitchy, but other than that, it's pretty good. So let's first delete this and and let's create a new variable called score. So let's set score to 0 at the beginning. And now we need to get 2 if blocks. And then we want to go to sensing and get key pressed. So this is going to be to move left and right. So I'm going to make this minus 10 when A is pressed. So, I'm going to have it purple because purple is an amazing colour, no matter what anyone says. And let's just use this gradient fill, just because it's a bit more effective. Now, we want to point in direction 180, so it's going to go down, and forever, it's going to move 10 steps. And now we need 3 if blocks. So in this if block, we need if touching edge. In this if block, we need if touching sprite 1. And in this block here, we need less than. So in here, we're going to have y position. So if y position is less than negative 120, then we want it to stop this script, and we also want to broadcast lose at that time. So we're going to use the broadcast a bit later, but now if touching edge, we want to point in direction, and this is where this all comes in. So we need to do this, so point in direction. So point in direction minus pick random 170 to 190. So let's test this. Actually, no, first of all, let's do this. So, yeah, there. But that has to be 140 to 180. Actually, let's make that 100. Right, so now let's test this. Right, there we go. Perfect. But that's not random enough, is it? So let's make that 140 to 210. Right, there's a bit more randomness in it now. But it is going to glitch out at times. And the effective thing about the shape I put it in is it actually looks like it's moving around. Alright, so now we're going to use the broadcast lose. And also we're going to change score by 1 when it touches sprite 1. So now this is where this comes in. So we want, when I receive lose, we want it to say, and then we get the join here. So you earned, and then we need to put score and then points. But then this is where this all comes in, because we need an if else here. So if score equals 1, then we need to do something else. So let's make that, we need to take away the S, because for 0 it's points as well. So what you might also want to do is create a new sprite which will say you lose, which appears. So I'm going to make it red. So you lose. You lose, there we go. Set costume center to here. I'm also going to make it so that at the start, when green flag is clicked, we want it to hide and then we want it to go to x0, y0. Actually, let's make this sprite a bit bigger because this is a bit small actually. So let's make actually a bit bigger than that. So there we go, that's a good size. Right, so let's do this. Right, so once it's hidden, we now need to do it so that when it receives lose, it's going to show, and now what you can do is forever, and then in looks you have change effect. So I'm going to change color effects by 10. Right, so let's check this now. So it's going to glitch a little bit, and now you lose. You earned 1 point. Now let's test it by earning more than 1 point now. Right, so let's get 2 points. You earned 2 points, so it's saying points now. Right, hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, favourite and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. BananaBoss out.